here we come into our room. We got upgraded at the DoubleTree Biscayne Bay Hilton. Basically, a bedroom over here. I like Hilton. I think their upgradings are awesome. And there we go. There's a little name on the TV and all that good stuff. All right, stick with me, this gets better. I'm just putting something in my pocket. All right, so then we go down this direction. There's our door in. We got a bathroom over here. We got a pretty nice bathroom in here with a shower. And the sink and all that good stuff. Then we wander on in here. See what we got in here, a little living room. Got yourselves a coffee maker, some little refrigerator, microwave. This is what they call the Grand King Suite that's Bayview, just so you know if you're looking at this hotel. Grand Bayview Suite, something like that, whatever. Got a couch, some fine art, probably not a Picasso. Big old TV here. Nice little desk. Then we have a handy little balcony out here. A little chair and tables. A little nice view out over the bay. Check this out. Check this out. We're leaving on a cruise tomorrow. There's a Virgin cruise ship there right now. We will be leaving from this pier right over here. Behind that section over there is where our ship will be in the morning. So we can take off on a nice cruise, which you'll have lots of videos of. All these boats down here. People getting off the boats. I don't know what they were doing. And way out here are all those rich islands that they made little man-made islands out of, and multi-million-dollar houses on those things. Kind of cool. So that's a little bit of what we look like here in our nice room.